AirPods firmware updates are automatic software patches that improve performance, add features, and fix bugs. Apple handles these updates over the air, OTA, so manual installation isn't typically needed. Updates are essential for optimizing features like spatial audio, noise cancellation, and battery life. For example, recent updates have enhanced Hey Siri functionality, Bluetooth stability, and addressed charging inconsistencies in AirPods 4. These updates ensure your AirPods stay compatible with the latest iOS versions and other Apple devices. If you are having difficulty getting an update, the latest models, AirPods 4 and Pro 3, should be on iOS 18 Plus to access all features. The update process is designed to be seamless. Ensure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac via Bluetooth. Place them in their charging case and connect the case to a power source. Your iOS device needs to be on Wi-Fi and have sufficient battery above 50%. It's important to have iOS 15.1 or later, iOS 18 Plus for the newest models. The update will download in the background and install automatically, often overnight. The process generally takes 10 to 30 minutes. To check if an update is available, go to Settings, General, About, AirPods on your iPhone. In the event of an issue, retry the update, ensuring stable Wi-Fi and sufficient battery.